Hey everybody, so today I'm making a glittery wall clock out of resin. So I'm starting off with my Let's Resin blue pigment paste mixed with resin. I poured about 8 ounces of resin and just a few drops of pigment paste, and I'm mixing it up there. Now I'm just pouring it into my clock mold. I mixed in some sand with some resin and added about a drop of white pigment paste, the HTV white pigment paste to it. A few drops actually. I'm just pouring that into the bottom portion of my mold. I have some seashells that I've mixed up with some resin, and I'm just pouring those in there as well, just at the bottom portion. Now I've mixed up some more sand mixed with resin. I didn't put the white pigment paste into this round of sand, but I'm just adding that in there as well. And now I've decided to create a barrier with some river pebbles to try and make a defined um, defined beach area, I guess. And then I'm putting the little pebbles around the border as well and topping it off with some more sand, just straight sand. Now some more clear resin. Now I have a little bit more of the Let's Resin blue pigment paste mixed with clear, and I'm adding that into the ocean area. Now I've decided to make some waves on this first layer, so I've added some HTV white pigment paste with clear resin, and I'm using my heat gun to spread it around. Now it's the next day and that has cured, so I'm adding a little bit more sand because obviously, as you can see, I don't really have a defined beach area still, so I'm just adding that in there, mixing it together, adding a little more sand to make it a little thicker. And I decided to add a little more clear resin in there in order to let it spread more easily.
These are the good times, hey, hey, the good times, hey, the good times, hey, what is up for the good times? These are the good times, hey, yo, these are the real good times. Let's make this song real thing, alright.
I'm adding some seashells just on the top of my beach. And now I decided I want this to have something extra, so I've decided to add glitter to it. So I'm starting out with some pink glitter. This is the HTV Ront pink glitter. And now I'm adding the HTV Ront gold glitter. To the ocean, I'm adding blue HTV Ront glitter. And peacock blue.
Let your dreams guide you. Some days are perfect. Everything feels like it should. Some days are worth it.
I want to add some more waves. So I did kind of lose most of my waves by adding more resin and glitter and all that. So I added some HTV white pigment paste to just a little, like 1 ounce of resin, and I'm just making the lines to make waves and moving them around with the heat gun to get that wave effect. Now it's the next day again, and I had taken out some of the waves because I just thought it was too much, and I had the wrong color glitter mixed in there. So now I'm just trying to repair a little of my damage that I've done. So I had scooped out that area where you see the blue between the waves, and I just want to add some clear. And then I'm going to add some more waves. And now I'm adding more waves. So I have the HTV white pigment paste again and spreading that around with my heat gun.
I'm winning, I won't hold back. Not stop until I'm the best. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you too. Floor is yours, reach out to the ground. Do you believe we're never gonna give up? We're close. Let it go inside. Watch me now, I'll take back the crowd. Oh, take back the crown. Oh, win back the crown. Those lights blind me, I'm floating so high, no one can touch me. I'm fixed to the rhythm, throw it down.
I've added some silver glitter in there. I just felt like it needed a little something extra within the waves to make it sparkle. Okay, so here is the clock. I'm going to go ahead and demold it and see what we got on the other side. This is obviously the front. I really think it came out very nice. And let's just see. So I'm going to get all these rough edges off of here and around here. All right, let's see what we got on the other side. Okay, not bad. That's the back anyway. So here is how it will look. I think it's nice. Here is the final clock, and I think it came out great. I hope you do too. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you like this video and like to see more like it, then please like and subscribe down below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Bye.